Rotational motion part 1. Today we'll cover: what is moment? What is inertia? And what is moment of inertia? This video includes killer visualization, awesome diagrams, easy to understand. You have to think and try to visualize each and every word. What is moment? In physics, moment means product of distance and any another physical quantity like time, length, mass, electric current, etc. What is inertia? Inertia is nothing but the force which keeps stationary objects at rest and moving objects in motion at constant velocity. What is moment of inertia? Moment of inertia is denoted by capital I. It is defined as the product of mass and the square of distance. The formula of moment of inertia is I is equal to mr square. Imagine a man rotating a metal ball. Let the man be the axis of rotation, rope be the radius, and metal ball be the moving object. Figure 1 and Figure 2 shows the diagrammatic representation of the man rotating a metal ball with difference in radius. In Figure 1 the radius is small, so it requires low inertia to rotate. Now, see Figure 2. If we increase the radius and the mass, the man requires a high inertia to rotate the metal ball. Because of the formula, I is equal to mass into radius square. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.